Ready for hands-free. Kaylee, standing all by yourself, 5 months and 1 day. Of course, we are leaning on our activity table, but
that's what it's for.
That's what it's for.
Look at you go.
You play it, Boo. Hi, Boo. Hello, Sander. Look at those. You got all these
No hands.
No hands. No hands. You're so big. Yeah. Look at those legs.
You're standing all the time.
You got them locked. Wiggly hips. Oh, nice burp.
Look at your hands. There you go.
You are a good stander. Oh,
I'm standing.
oh, I'm starting to get frustrated. It's okay. What's wrong, Noodle? Oh, hello, bye-bye. What you doing, Noodle?
Wiggling.
Hi.
Doing good.
I think she's kind of sitting there going, now what?
Daddy got you.
Yeah. Good job, monkey. Good job.
Good job.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.